In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically increase limit of Capital One credit card and no hard check. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Step 1. Maintain an excellent credit report. Capital One is one of the largest subprime lenders in the US, and you want to have them on your credit report. You also need 2 to 5 large banks on your credit report, and Capital One should be one of them. Step 2. Avoid credit cards with low credit limit. Don't get Credit One, Open Sky, and First Premier credit cards and other low-limit credit cards. By having low-limit credit cards, you will only receive other low-limit credit cards. Step 3. Ignore credit usage percentage myths. Maximize the use of your card as long as you have the cash to pay for it. Use it as you would use your available cash. Step 4. Consistency and responsibility is the key to building trust. Use your credit cards to pay car insurance, utilities, and cell phone bills and pay them in full every single month. It is also good to know that you can make a single payment each day to Capital One, so you can pay in full every single day. Step 5. Decline secondary credit cards. Respectfully decline a secondary card and use only the first credit card that you received and build your credit score from there. Step 6. Avoid balance with Capital One. Clear out all your credit balance and make sure it is posted first before applying for a credit limit increase. This will improve your chances of increasing your credit limit. Step 7. Use the Capital One mobile app. Don't call Capital One directly to increase your limit. Instead, go to your app and follow the steps. Choose the card that you'd like to increase the limit of, and then click on the profile icon right here. Next, click on Account and Feature Settings. Then the next step is click on Request Credit Line Increase. It's going to ask you a series of questions. The first question is your employment status. Never ever use the self-employed status. If you have a business, use employed as your status as you are still an employee of your business. If you use self-employed, this will limit your credit limit increases and you will have a hard time getting increases for your credit line, and you may even get financial review. Now, if you are in fact self-employed and ask what your position is, you can say managing director or managing partner, or you can say chief executive officer. In most cases, a managing director is the easiest alternative to CEO if you're not comfortable in using CEO as your company position. If you're making $100,000 a year, you can just put $50,000 or $60,000 as your annual income. So when you're going to request for a credit limit increase yearly, you can increase your annual income responsibly.
Double check if all the information you entered are correct. But before you slide this button to request, I'd like to tell you about the card tier system as well.
Credit card tier system. If you are rebuilding your credit, or if you are already in good position with your credit, it's good to know which credit card is aligned with your current credit limit and what credit card you can get next. If your credit is low, you will start with Platinum Secured, and then you can move up to Platinum Unsecured. Then as you improve, you will have the Quicksilver one and then the Quicksilver. As you go higher, you also have the Saver one, and then you can upgrade to Savor. If you're really consistent, you can also have the Venture card, the Venture One, and finally the Venture X card. And that is how to automatically increase limit of Capital One credit card and no hard check. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.